What is uranium? Today, we're going to talk about a highly important yet controversial material. Its uses can benefit society, but also cause significant harm. Uranium. Uranium is a chemical element belonging to the group of heavy metals identified by the symbol U on the periodic table. It is widely known for its use in nuclear energy production and nuclear weapons. It is a radioactive element that emits alpha, beta, and gamma radiation. This property is what makes uranium useful for energy generation. Through nuclear fission, uranium releases heat, which is then converted into electricity in nuclear power plants. Uranium occurs naturally in the Earth's crust and is surprisingly one of the most abundant elements on the planet. However, it is not found in its pure form, but rather in minerals such as uranite and carnotite. The largest reserves are located in countries like Kazakhstan, Canada, Australia, Russia, South Africa, and the United States. The way uranium is found in nature depends on the type of mineral deposit, which also determines the extraction method. There are three main types: igneous rock deposits, sand deposits, and sedimentary rock deposits. In igneous deposits, uranium is concentrated in rocks like granite and rhyolite, typically in volcanic regions, and is extracted through underground mining. Sand deposits occur when uranium accumulates in sediments like sand and gravel, often in arid regions such as deserts. In these cases, extraction involves washing the sediments. These deposits can also be found in countries like India and Brazil. An interesting example in Brazil is Black Sand Beach in Guarapari, where uranium-233 can be produced from thorium found in the area. Sedimentary deposits contain uranium in rocks like limestone and shale, and extraction can be done through open pit or underground mining. Uranium extraction requires extreme care to minimize environmental and health impacts. Mining companies must follow strict safety regulations, protect workers, and reduce environmental damage. After extraction, the ore undergoes purification and enrichment processes. Mining such a hazardous material safely is possible through proper measures like protective equipment, ventilation, and radiation monitoring. During mining, radioactive gases such as radon and radioactive particles may be released, posing serious health risks, including cancer. Radioactive materials like uranium contain unstable atoms that spontaneously decay, emitting radiation. Uranium is radioactive precisely because of this instability. There are different isotopes of uranium. Uranium-235 is used in nuclear reactors because it can be easily fissioned by slow neutrons. Uranium-238 is more abundant but requires fast neutrons to undergo fission. These numbers, 235 and 238, represent the mass number, which is the sum of protons and neutrons in the atomic nucleus. The emitted radiation can be dangerous. Alpha particles are easily blocked, but beta and gamma radiation can penetrate the human body, damaging cells and DNA. Uranium is mainly used as fuel in nuclear power plants to generate electricity. In reactors, a chain reaction releases thermal energy, which is converted into electrical energy. In addition, uranium is used in nuclear weapons, medicine, diagnosis and treatment, scientific research, ceramics, glass production, fluorescent paints, nuclear batteries, and even space propulsion systems. Despite its many applications, uranium use is strictly controlled due to its risks. And were you aware of all these uses of uranium?